Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have brought some new video for you guys. This is a video of my daily life. I thought I will share a small video of mine with my dear friends, and this video, it was a small occasion of my life. So I thought that only on this day we get to meet everyone together at the same time. So I click a cute little video for a memory. So whatever is in this video, all the people are very close friends of my heart. So no one knows what will happen tomorrow in life. So I thought that as much as I have friends with me, all this is the memory of my life. It will be a very sweet memory. Tomorrow someone will be transferred to some other place or the other. Today is with me, tomorrow then it will be a different. So life is very short, it comes in only one. So those who are together today should live life very well by helping each other, and I want that those who ever with me, my friends, my close people, that I pray these people do well and God bless them. And I want to tell you that whatever is there in life, you have to try to live happily with the people around you, and you have to let the people also live happily. So for today my video is end here. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye, see you in the next video.